When your body temperature rises, it's not the illness. It's actually your body fighting back. But what exactly is happening inside you right now?
When harmful viruses or bacteria enter your body, the battle begins silently. These invaders rapidly spread through your bloodstream, silently reaching your entire body. Your immune system quickly detects the threat, responding almost instantly to protect your body from harm.
Special chemicals called pyrogens are quickly released, signaling your body to respond to the infection immediately. These signals rapidly travel to your brain, alerting it to take action and defend your body against the threat. These signals travel to the hypothalamus, your body's internal thermostat, triggering a rapid response to control temperature.
It raises your body's temperature set point, forcing your body to generate heat and fight off the infection more effectively. Blood vessels tighten to conserve heat, reducing heat loss and helping your body maintain a higher temperature to fight infection. Your muscles begin to shiver rapidly, generating heat to warm your body and help fight off the infection more effectively. Your internal temperature begins to rise steadily, creating a warmer environment that helps your body fight off the invading infection. Even as your body temperature rises, you begin to feel cold as your system works hard to generate and conserve heat. That's why fever often comes with chills, as your body works hard to raise its internal temperature. Higher temperatures boost immune activity, helping your body respond faster and more effectively to fight off the infection. Many pathogens struggle to survive this heat, as the elevated temperature creates a hostile environment for their growth. A microscopic war unfolds inside your body as immune cells battle invading pathogens to protect your health. At peak fever, your body shifts into full defense mode, activating powerful immune responses to eliminate the invading threat. Your heart begins to beat faster, pumping more oxygen and nutrients to support your body's fight against infection. Once the threat begins to fade, your brain lowers the temperature, helping your body return to its normal, balanced state. Sweating helps cool your body down, releasing excess heat and bringing your temperature back to a safer, normal level. And finally, your body returns to balance, restoring normal temperature and stabilizing its internal environment once again. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more amazing health and science facts.